Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Money or ET here, and in today's video I'm going to be giving us a little bit of a tutorial on how to get Sony Vegas Pro 15 for free. Yeah, all you need is WinRAR and a little bit of a download patience. Alright, let's get right into it. First thing first, what you gotta do is to click the link in the description below, and it will drop you to this page. Will bring you to this page with the download link, 400 MB. It's not that much. You can just wait for a little bit, and you have to extract the file into a new folder, and then when you do that, you will be, yes, already, as you can see right here, I already downloaded, already extracted the file. This right here, don't put the don't press the trial, do not press the trial. You have to extract this one as well. Do not press the trial. Okay, yeah, first thing first, do not press the trial when you are extracting. Then you get, once you're done with the extraction, you can press the trial and then run all of that good stuff. You run to the process and then press patch, Vegas Pro 15 patch, and then you're pretty much set. You're pretty much good to go. Look at that. Picture 15.0. There we go. That's how you get Vegas Pro 15 for free. All you gotta do is just extract, trial, patch, and there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a like, share, subscribe, join my Discord server in the description below, and I'll catch you all on the next one.